Button 4. That's the shape of the button. It's a slide. See, it's a pretty good sized button. It's larger than most buttons. But why not? Why not do something unusual? A little fun. The larger it is, the more comfy it is to the hand, isn't it? That would be true, wouldn't it? I'm coming here, I'm coming here, I'm coming here. Start her up again. Shaping the shoulder. You always have to be able to see what you're doing. Shape of the button. Okay, let us keep going. Okay. Now, I've left enough post on there to keep it pretty stable while I polish it out. See? It's not held on by very much. And then I can come over here and grab some 500 grit sandpaper like this and come in and polish it with the 500, see? And there's another thing I can do. It's never a bad idea, which is to hand cut on the lathe. And each one of these, by the way, is totally unique because they're all handmade, you know? So they're not perfectly identical to each other, and I kind of like that. Gotta come back here now on the back side, smooth that. With the thumb will touch. So what I can do now, I'll go grab another tool. Okay, I'm back, and we're using a hand bit, and I can come here and just kind of smooth it by hand. This is a technique, it's not used much by machinists, but I like it because it enables me to get a roundness and a smoothness on the button that I just can't get using the lathe alone. So you can see it kind of polishes this thing out a little bit more and more and more. And come back on the back edge here, getting into the back of the shoulder of it. Like that. Okay. Then back to 500 grit. And then we start to get that look, that beautiful satiny look of a button that's been hand created. It's just as beautiful as can be. It is a very unique button. And I'm quite partial to it. Now I have to decide, do I want to have a decorative line in it? I don't really care about that. So, let's do that. I think a beautiful shape is kind of a beautiful decoration in all of itself, all by itself. I like the shape of that button. And what we can do, let's come over here. Let's see what this thing might look like when it's actually on the slide. And you can see that's a pretty darn big button. Big harp, big button. And you can see that the tine does fit in there perfectly and it's snug. Now I have to cut off the button right at the back end. That is my next task. It's a different task, different cutter. And then it will be hand sanded at the back end. So that completes this part of it. We'll go back up to medium. Come here, maybe come back to there.